Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin. We're back at SeaWorld Orlando to check out the latest progress over at Penguin Trek, as well as the 2025 project. Let's go check it out. One thing before we begin the update, I just want to apologize in advance for my voice. I've been sick for a very long time. I've had a respiratory infection, so I'm starting to get better, but my voice is a mess, so I apologize in advance. Decisions. Should we go this way over to Penguin Trek, or should we go this way over to the 2025 project? Let's go check out the 2025 project. Since my last update, the roof work has gone all the way to the end of the building now. Sadly, right now, Wild Arctic is closed. The friendly ambassadors over there, they're unfortunately not giving it time when it's going to reopen, if it's going to even reopen today, but sounds like they're doing some work on the inside. I say sounds like because if you get really close to those doors, you can hear some really loud banging on the inside. The restroom and food stand over by Penguin Trek got a repaint. So the barricades are gone and the path is open, which means there's no testing today, unfortunately. Well,
that's a sidewalk.
And over there's two hotels way to this, two hotels next to each other. After that, to the right is Space Mountain.
Wild Arctic has reopened. Let's go see if there's any new changes. Inside of Wild Arctic, we got work walls. All right, friends, it's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw, there was a ton of progress over at Penguin Trek. They're doing a lot more with scaffolding. They're doing a lot more work to the outside of the show building with a lot of painting. They're also doing a lot more work over at the 2025 project. We have new work walls up, which is really exciting. So we're going to keep track of that progress. But anyway, if you like what you saw, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.